Hello, I'm Guillermo from U-Haul. Install a trailer hitch on your Nissan Rogue Sport. It can take you to some really fun places like camping, biking. You can even tow a U-Haul trailer almost anywhere in North America. Let's break down this install. You'll need the tools seen here to complete this installation. For our first step, we're going to be removing our emissions canister, which is held on by two 10mm nuts. One is located here, and the other one is located behind the heat shield. But we're going to be using a pry bar to move the heat shield to get better access to our nut. It just stays up there. You just use for access to remove the bolt. So for our next step, we're going to have to remove our tow hook, which is held in place by 6 bolts located here, 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 and 3 here on this side. So we're going to go ahead and do this. So now that our tow loop is out of the way, we're going to go ahead and reinstall our emissions canister. So now that we're done on the passenger side, we're going to go ahead and move on to the driver's side, where we will need to enlarge this hole here with a step bit. So now we're going to go ahead and install our 2 carriage bolts and blocks using the fish wire provided in the kit. Located here, here. In our passenger side, we're going to use our 3 existing wheel nuts located here, here, and here. So now that we have our vehicle prepped, we're going to go ahead and install the hitch using this U-Haul hitch jack. So now that we have our hitch up, we're going to go ahead and make sure that our bolts align with the holes provided on the hitch. We're going to go ahead and use the pre-existing bolts that came with our tow loop. So now we're gonna go ahead and move on to our driver's side. Our key came with 2 flange nuts and this bolt. We're gonna go ahead and install it. Make sure the washer's teeth are facing towards the body of the vehicle. All the way. So now that our bolts are in place, we're going to go ahead and torque them down to manufacturer specifications. To do so, we're going to need a 19mm and an 18mm socket on this side and 18mm on the passenger side. So now that we have our hitch installed, we went ahead and pulled our vehicle down to a level surface just to get a few measurements for you. This is a 2-inch receiver. From the pin to the end of the bumper is 4 inches. From the ground to the top of the receiver is 12 inches. This will help you determine the length and rise and drop for your hitch accessories such as a bike rack and cargo carrier. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with a hitch professional, visit us online today at uhaulhitches.com.